Okay, my name's Alan, and I'm going to do problem 19 from the second midterm. Here's the picture, and the question is, what is the current going through the 6-volt battery? So we're going to do this problem with conservation of energy, which is Kirchhoff's laws. So we're going to start by doing the loop rule. Here are the 3 main loops. As you can see, each one is a smaller version of the main picture. So the first loop includes the 10, 8, and 6-volt batteries and the 2 2-ohm resistors. So if we put this into an equation, we have 10 volts minus 2i plus 8 volts minus 6 volts minus 2i equals 0. So you have to subtract the 6 volts rather than add because it goes through the positive terminal before the negative one, which means you have to flip it. So if you set up this equation, you get 12 equals 4i, which means I equals 3 amps. So then we have 3 amps going in here. Okay, now the second loop we have to look at, it includes the 4-ohm resistor and the 6-volt battery. So we have 6 equals 4i, I equals 1.5. And it's going in this direction. So now we can use the junction rule here. The junction rule states that if 3 amps are going into the junction, then 3 amps have to go out. So 3 minus 1.5 means that we need 1.5 amps going this direction. Now let's look at the last loop. The last loop includes the 6-volt battery and the 6-ohm resistor. So we have 6 equals 6i, which means that I equals 1 amp. So the last one goes in this direction, which means that we have 1 amp here. So now we have 1.5 amps going into this junction and 1 amp leaving, which means we need 0.5 amps going down here, which means that the answer is 0.5 amps down.